Hi, if you've ever wanted to work with creators to advertise your brand or product, this video is for you. Let's start with the big question you might be wondering. Why should businesses work with creators? Creators have spent a ton of time and effort to build their audience, configure their content quality, and develop a niche. When businesses work with creators on partnered content, they gain control over audiences they reach and break previous reach and impression bottlenecks. But what you might not know is that the conversation and impression between you and your creator affects the quality and efficiency of the partnered content. Since I started working with creators, I've made a unified playbook to provide resources they can refer to consisting of 1. Previous collaborations, 2. Product tutorials and highlights, 3. Product GIFs and videos, and 4. Branding elements. In this video, I'll go over why content playbooks will benefit your future partnerships with creators. Previous collaborations are extremely helpful to include because they serve as a reference for your creator to get inspiration from. You can order and include which previous partnerships you want to emulate in your future collaborations based off of your preference, whether it's better messaging, style, or proven more successful. This is also the most efficient way for your creator to get an idea of what you expect from a collaboration and communicate your product messaging to them with the least amount of handling. I include product tutorials and highlights to further explain the product, which aids the understanding of the product to the creator. If you want to illustrate the relevance of your product to the audience, you must be able to illustrate it to the creator. Product GIFs and videos essentially accomplish the same thing, but in a visual way. Creators also get to use these GIFs and videos to communicate the workings of your product, making it easier for them to complete the collaboration thoroughly. Finally, branding elements should always be provided so creators can insert your logos and icons if they choose to, which enhances the branding recognizability within the content. Once you gather your resources, all you have to do is click Share or Publish, and you can share this workbook with your prospective creators. Whatever you choose to add to the workbook, it'll update live on the link, and if you want to customize for specific creators, you can do so by duplicating and then making the necessary adjustments. Your creators then have access to all the links, all the files, all in one place. I hope this reduces unproductive back and forth, number of views, and the time you spend looking for your files. Ask any and all questions you have down below, and I'll see you in the next one.